she thought, well, my heart was on my sleeve. Honey, I cried too. You better believe it. Honey, my heart still beats for you, even though you don't feel it. Baby. Should've said so much to you, which is lame but maybe kinda nice. Like scratch-offs in a birthday card, or your name on a grain of rice. And I've been 6th and 7th grade. And it's not terrible, but it's too long. We still talk, but now it's changed. Does it hurt more to just move on?
That was expert. Zoom.
Was expert.
Maybe I loved you, or maybe I wanted to see something through.
Yeah.
Just 'cause I never
So
do.
cool. I'm so glad you got the shark. Oh, I need to put my hat on. Ta-da! Chelsea! Wow! Are you going away?
Locked in.
Locked in? Locked in?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Out there. I'm so excited. That's really creepy. Yeah, hey guys. We're ready for order. Yes.
Hey man. Surprise!
Surprise! We're up here. Happy birthday! Oh, guys, I'm on my way.
Yeah, your parents were in on it.
Hello.
Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Let's see this.
Should we get all the stuff and then put it in one?
Oh my god, that's a. Oh! Wow. That was beautiful.
That was awesome sauce. Say.
Like make a little knot.
What?
Now you gotta tie this around this.
My hand's tired.
Alright, you held it up. I'll do it. Yeah!
Yay!
Good luck getting that off.
Whoopin' Gangnam Style! Whoopin' Gangnam Style! Whoopin' Gangnam Style! Dude, what the hell? Gangnam Style! Yay! The second blow.
Wow.
Sorry, I wasn't.
Dance. Alright. So we gotta be serious.
Alright. Yeah, serious happy birthday. Go!
Serious.
Happy birthday to you! Well, maybe not you, man. But did you ever pretend to, like, dig to China at the beach?
Yeah!
Yo!
I did, but I would dig to the United States. Like,
Oh, there you go.
Literally, how many trees
so
have
much
died?
paper. So much paper.
She literally called deforestation herself with every package.
shitty piece of technology. It won't focus? No, come on, focus.
Come on, Doug. You got this. You got a close
It's
up,
not
bro.
Beautiful.
It's not focusing. There you go.
Garbage.
It is.
Too hot. That's what Zoom is for, pal.
Oh.
Roasted.
One. I'm gonna go up this time. Two. Oh. Touch me. You can't do that.
How many has it been?
That was 3.
I don't know.
Please, one more time for the paparazzi. fucking hole. Like
Yeah.
it's a hole.
Yeah.
We've done it once.
Yeah, and it healed.
But it was really tiny. That was like a needle.
So this is not that much bigger.
It is. It's huge. You see the size of that? That's the hole, bro.
Maybe I will use it.
That's how thick the hole.
Where's the first like
I just realized what's happening right now. Oh yeah, we check our names,
Steven?
please.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Can I say something on the record?
Yeah, what's up?
I don't approve of this.
We guys just entertaining himself over there.
Like the goatee
It's
is.
not clamped though.
Then I think you want me to clamp it?
Are
You ready?
I think
Are you
so.
ready for a breathe in? 3, 2, 1, breathe out. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
There is a big.
So wait, that doesn't. Wait, hold on. No, that's not right.
What?
Ogar, don't look.
Okay, okay. So who's gonna do what?
Bonus?
Wipe my thumbs. Wipe the edge and wipe.
What's up?
I remember man splitting in that chair.
And I am still tangled and broken. Is this all you really wanted from the start? I didn't notice those two faces of yours. You're so fucked up. Just move on, and I am stuck.